Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. Welcome to another section of Maths online class. We are moving on with the chapter Fractions. So far, we have discussed about the concept of fractions up to addition of fractions. Now, today in this video, we are going to discuss subtraction of fractions. How can we subtract two fractions? What are the conditions needed for subtraction? This all concept we can discuss with examples. Now we can discuss on subtraction of fractions. First example, 18 by 21 minus 8 by 21. The strategy for addition, subtraction and comparison are same for fractions. If you are getting a like fraction, you can do it directly. But if you are getting an unlike fraction, for adding or subtracting or comparing, you have to convert that into a like fraction, then only you can do it. So, as we discussed in the case of addition, here if it is a like fraction, we can add. Similarly, if it is a like fraction, we can subtract directly. So, by looking the example, you can see what type of fraction is this? 18 by 21, 8 by 21. Check for the denominators. Here 21, here also 21. So, what type of fraction is this? Yes, it is a like fraction. So, no need of converting and all. We can subtract directly. As in the case of addition, here also the change comes only for numerator. That means the denominator remains same. So, in case of addition and subtraction, we are making change only for numerator. Don't make any change in denominators. We are writing the common denominator as such. So, what is the first numerator here? 18. Here 8. And as the rule of subtraction, you know, subtract smaller number from larger number. Clear? So, 18 minus 8. What is 18 minus 8? 10. I said the denominator will have no change. So, denominator 21. So, the subtracted answer is 10 by 21. One more example. 54 by 73 minus 25 by 73. Here also the given fraction is a like fraction. So, we can subtract directly. Write the common denominator as it's 73 itself. Now, write the numerator 54 minus 25. You know the subtraction. How we will subtract? Here we have to borrow. So, 54 subtracting 25, you are getting 29. So, the subtracted answer is 29 by 73. Next example, 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. What type of fraction is this? Like or unlike fraction? Yes, it is an unlike fraction. So, the first step is converting to like fraction. How? By finding the LCM. Here, one is a prime number, another is a composite number. So, if you find the LCM also, LCM will be the product of these two numbers. Here, finding the LCM, 15 and 11. 15 will have only common factor. 11 is not having a common factor. So, dividing with 3 in 15, 5 times 11 as 11 itself. Again 5 taking 5 divided by 5, 1, 11 writing same. Again 11 dividing with 11, 1 you write the same, 11 in 11, 1. So, what you are getting the LCM? 3 into 5 into 11. 3 into 5 into 11 is 165. Now, we have to convert our given fraction to a like fraction with denominator 165. So, 9 by 11. You don't know 11 into what is 165. So, I told from the LCM itself you can find. What you have here? 11. So, close 11. Then what is remaining? 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15. So, 11 into 15 is 165. So, the numerator also you are multiplying with 15. So, 9 into 15, 135 and denominator 165. Again the next fraction is 4 by 15. 15 into what is 165? If you don't know, again check in the LCM. 3 into 5 what? 15. So 15 was already we have in the denominator. So if we cancel 15, what is remaining? 11. So 15 into 11 is 165. So the numerator you are multiplying with 11. So 4 into 11, 44. Now we got the like fractions. What are they? 135 by 165, 44 by 165. Now we have to subtract. Subtracting, I said the denominator, we are writing the common denominator as it is. Then only the numerator we are subtracting. So 135 minus 44. Subtracting, you are getting 91 by 165. Next example, 8 1 by 2, 3 5 by 8. So this is a mixed fraction. I said we can do in two methods. Here the first method, I am converting this into a improper fraction and subtracting. So 8 1 by 2, converting 8 into 2. What is 8 into 2? 16. 16 plus 1. The numerator here it is 1. So 8 into 2, 16 plus 1, 17. 17 by 2. Next 3 5 by 8. Converting 3 into 8. What is 3 into 8? 24. 24 plus 5. What is 24 plus 5? 29. So 29 by 8. So I converted the given mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is that? 17 by 2, 29 by 8. Now what is the next step? This is a like fraction. No, this is an unlike fraction. So we have to convert it into a like fraction. How? Finding the LCM. Here one is 2 and other is 8. So finding the LCM, the common factor is 2. So dividing both the numbers by 2, you are getting 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. Again 4 is a composite number. So 2 is a factor. So 2, 1 you can write same. Dividing 4, 2. Again 2 right taking. 1 you write the same. 2 divided by 2, 1. So what you are getting? 2 into 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2 into 2? 8. So you are getting the LCM 8. So we have to convert the denominators into 8. Here the second fraction is already having the denominator 8. So you can keep that fraction same. So the first fraction we have to change. 17 by 2. 2 into what is 8? 4. So you are multiplying the whole fraction with 4. 17 into 4, 68. 2 into 4, 8. Now 29 by 8. I told here it is already denominator 8. So multiplying with 1. 29 by 8 itself. So we converted it into like fraction with denominator 8. So subtracting 68 minus 29. Denominator no change, same itself. So 68 minus 29 you are getting 39 by 8. I told in the case of mixed fraction, we can do it in two methods. So let us check the other method in the case of subtraction. What is the other method? First we are subtracting whole number part. So here whole number part is 8. Here 3. So 8 minus 3, 5. Next we have to subtract the fraction part. Here 1 by 2. Here 5 by 8. Now finding the LCM we have to subtract. The LCM 2 and 8 is 8 itself. Converting. Here 2 into what is 8? 4. So 1 by 2. The first fraction we are multiplying with 4. So 4 by 4. So what you are getting? 1 into 4? 4. 4 into 2, 8. So first fraction is 4 by 8. Second fraction is having already the denominator 8. So no need of converting 5 by 8 itself. Now subtract. First fraction is 4 by 8. Second fraction 5 by 8. Can we subtract it? Here which fraction is greater? 5 by 8 is greater. Can we subtract a smaller fraction from, larger fraction from smaller fraction? No. But in the chapter integers you have studied this fraction. But here it is not possible. We cannot subtract 4 by 8 minus 5 by 8 is not possible because here 5 by 8 is greater. So, in subtraction, that method cannot be applied. If you are getting mixed fraction, convert the given mixed fraction to improper fraction and subtract. So, that is the reason I told you follow same method for addition and subtraction. Otherwise, when automatically in the case of subtraction you may do like this, but the answer will be wrong. So, in the case of addition and subtraction, when you are getting a mixed fraction, convert the given mixed fraction to improper fraction and do. In subtraction, this method cannot be applied. Concluding today's class, let us recollect what we have discussed today. Today we discussed about subtraction of fraction. In that, first we discussed subtraction of like fraction. Then we discussed subtraction of unlike fraction, mixed fraction. So, in the case of subtraction also, we are subtracting only the numerators. Here also, if we are getting a unlike fraction, we are converting it into like fraction, then we are subtracting. Now, in the case of mixed fraction, convert the given mixed fraction to improper fraction and subtract. The other method cannot be applied in the case of mixed fraction for subtraction. Hope all of you understood the class. Copy down the notes attached. Attend the test paper. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.